Hello, today we are going to walk through how to submit a departmental deposit. We will be going over the different types of departmental deposits listed here. The purpose of the departmental deposit template is to record any money received by the department from sales or services. Let's get started. The first step is to download the departmental deposit template from the University Forms and Documents webpage. In the template, click File, then Save As. Save your file with a name that makes sense to you. Next, enter the deposit date in cell D8. In this example, I am doing a bank bag deposit, so I am also entering the deposit bag number. We will go over how to fill out a bank bag and deposit slip at the end of the video. Here is some helpful information on entering the correct date depending on the type of deposit you're doing. Next, select the deposit category from the drop-down list in cell G9. Enter your department name in cell D16, and enter the first and last name of the preparer in cell G16. This is your name. Scroll over to enter the transaction total in the first input line of the template. Be sure not to fill out gray boxes. Enter the total amount of your deposit in the Enter Debit field. Add a description, and select if the deposit is taxable using the drop-down menu in cell Q19. Next, enter the total sales tax amount on the second input line of the template as a credit. Enter the difference under the sales tax line, give it a description, and mark it as taxable. If you are recording a refund, enter the total deposit amount in the credit column, and if applicable, enter the sales tax as a debit. Leave the sales tax line blank if no portion of the deposit is taxable. Scroll back over to enter the funding source values you wish to record your deposit to. All white cells on the line must be filled out. Again, do not fill out any gray cells. Do not add any rows to the bottom of the worksheet. If you need more rows than the 257 provided, please contact Department Deposit Upload at boisestate.edu. Double check you have a description for each deposit line. If you're entering a taxable line, be sure that your description indicates what was sold. If you're entering lines for proceeds from a sale of Boise State University property, enter a description of the item sold and the item serial number. Make sure your total entered debit and total entered credit balance is 0. And last, save your work. Email your file and supporting documentation for your deposit to Department Deposit Upload. You can see the documentation required for each deposit type on the slide here. You will receive a confirmation with a journal entry number for your reference once your deposit is uploaded into the system. Now we're going to walk through how to fill out the deposit slip and bank bag. If you do not need a tutorial on this, you can skip ahead to the end of the video. To prepare a deposit slip, write the date and currency total. Then write the total on the side and bottom of the slip. Write the corresponding bank bag number next to Boise State University. Contact Treasury to order more deposit slips. To prepare a bank bag, write the date and deposit amount at the top. At the bottom of the bag, write your department name, the current date, and the total amount. The last step is to tear off the strip at the top of the bag. You can keep this for your records. Take the bag to room 101 in the administration building. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to submit a departmental deposit.